morning routine that I follow, especially during my exam times for optimal functioning of my brain. So, exam preparation phase is the most crucial time because our brain has to function at its prime and we have to read, understand a lot of concepts, recollect, and reproduce it during the exam. So, there has to be something to do in the morning which will actually help you awaken the brain in a much better way. So, what I do, I'll tell you in this stepwise manner. So, first, I get up a little bit early during my exam preparation phase and start my day with a tall glass of water. Now, water is required to flush out the toxins that have been accumulated throughout the night in the system, and it will lead to a clearer gut, and you will have lesser body problems to deal with during the exam preparation. After that, I start with my brain exercises. So, I start with intercalating my fingers, and then I make a pyramid and rotate my fingers around each other. So these are proven and known brain exercises to link your left brain to right brain so that you make good and long term memory, which will help you remember the things better and for a longer period of time. So I take my mornings really slow because I feel that the brain has to be awakened in a graded fashion. So whenever then I feel like I take a deep breath and go ahead to do my daily chores. I start my day with brushing my teeth, and that too with a twist. So we all brush our teeth regularly, but I do it with my opposite hand, especially during the phase when I want my brain to function at its best, because it will foster new neural connections and increase the neuroplasticity of my brain. So brushing with the opposite hand is a hack to improve your brain function. Then comes the best part of my morning, that is my coffee. I take out nice 10 minutes to give to myself with my cup of coffee. I reflect upon the past day and then I go to my journaling. I write down what I'm grateful for, my to-do list, and what I'm feeling like. So I empty my mind before I start taking in the concepts of knowledge. I start my day with brain foods like soaked dried nuts and fruits because it will improve and give me the vitamins required for my optimal brain functioning. Stretching exercises and cardio will get my heart running and provide the good circulation to my brain and the entire body. Don't forget the breathing exercises because oxygen is the vital component which is required for the best functioning of our brain, and this will help me and give me the vital energy required to sit and study for the entire day. So I'm done with my physical exercise and mental exercises for the day. After this, I actually sit down to study with my set of books, and I've already decided the previous day what I'm going to do now. I start my studies with a tall glass of water and dark chocolate because dark chocolate is also proven to enhance the brain function. And whenever I feel any fatigue during my preparations, I stop, have a glass of water, have a piece of dark chocolate, and maybe move around a bit, and then I continue with my studies. So this morning routine has really helped me score a very good marks in all of my exams, be it MD, be it DNB, be it NEET PG, NEET UG. So I have been doing this religiously for a long time, and I hope this helps and you score a very good mark and a very good score after you follow these tips and tricks. So all the very best.